Hi guys, my name is Annie. I hope you all have a great day so far. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I'm doing DIY sewing. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to see new video every third day. In video today, I'm gonna show you how to sew a high-weighted gold-led sword. I got a couple of swords like this. I bought them at the thrifting market. I love how comfortable they are and really versatile to wear day to night. So I decided to make another one and show you step by step. Especially this is the very first time I sew fly zipper, but it's simple and easy to do. I'm sure about that. Okay, let's get started. I use a kind of polyester fabric that I got at home. I love the stripe button on it and the color also. I don't want to make this video is too long, so I already making the button here. But you can see I draw and draw the number measurement very clear. You can adjust depending on your measurement. Right here, I got front side with waistband at the right side is longer 3.5 cm at the left side. And I got two pleats on each side and the pocket at the side of sword. And here is the back side. I just trace from the front side. And this is the shape of pocket. Okay, let's cut fabric. Alright, after cut fabric, I'm going to bring them to overlap all of the raw fabric by my serger. Now, I use a chalk to mark the waist dart on front side and back side. For the front side, the waist dart will be exposed to the outside. Now, I'm gonna fold the fabric and stitch it on the top. Then, I'm going to stitch it on top down 8 cm. Doing that onto the other one. For the back side, I'm gonna fold the waist dart to the wrong side and sew it. At the end, I'll leave a distance of thread and tie it like this. Okay, now I already cut a rectangle with 13 cm width and 6 cm length. Then I'm gonna fold it in half and stitch in both sides. Cut the excess fabric, turn the right side out, fold the top 2 cm and press to make it flat and nice. Next, I'm going to pin it on the right side of the back side to creating the fake pocket and stitching them in place. And now, I'm gonna pin one pocket panel on the front side and the other pocket panel on the back side and stitching them together. How to make sure the mouth of the pocket will be 16 centimeters. Then, place the right side of the pocket together, pin them, stitching in place from the top along to the end of the mouth of the pocket, and overlocking by my serger. So now, I'm going to sew both sides together from the end of the pocket to the bottom. And stitching the inner side of each last panel. Moving on to making fly zipper. Here, I got the fly pattern with 4.5 cm width and 18 cm length. Now, I'm gonna cut one fly facing pieces and fold fabric in half to cut one fly girl. If your fabric is too thin, you can apply interfacing on to make them thicker. Then, I'm going to press the fly girl in half and overlocking one long edge and curl one on both pieces. Okay, now I'm gonna apply the fly facing on the left side of short with right side and sew them together. Next, flip the fly facing open and stitching on top. And then, I'm going to put the zipper on with right side together. How to the edge of zipper stop at the seam stitching. Then, I'm gonna sew the zipper to the fly facing. Now, I'm gonna put the fly girl on the zipper, matching with the zipper, and flip them to the other side and sew them together. Next, put the right side of short beside and trim a little bit to mark. And fold fabric 1 cm to the wrong side. Put it on the other side of zipper and stitching on top. Then, I'm going to sew the cross seam, starting right beside the previous stick line. Now, I'm gonna top stick a J-shaped line around the fly on the left side of short. Remember to flip the fly girl out to make sure not stick in. Moving on to the waistband, I'm gonna apply a thin interfacing on every single pieces of main waistband and connect front pieces to the back pieces, and doing that onto the facing waistband. Now I got two pieces like this. I'm going to put right side together, pin them in place, and stitching around from the short edges to top edges to the other short edges. Next, I'm gonna trim the excess fabric and turn the right side out. Remember to break them flat and nice. To make him pale look, I'll cut a piece of fabric with 4 cm width, fold it and stitching on both edges of a string. Then cut them into 5 small pieces with 8 cm length. Now I'm gonna pin the waistband into the short, but first I need to cut the excess zipper at the top. Okay, let's pin them together. From the zipper, go out 8 cm and insert the pale loop between. Pin 3 pale loop on the back side, and then stitching around the matching line. Then fold the other side of the pale loop 1 cm inside and stitching on top of waistband. Stitching forward and back to make sure it's in place. And I'm going to fold the fabric at the bottom to sew hem. Now, just making the buttonhole to finish. I'm gonna measure the length of the button and use chalk to draw the line on the waistband at the left side. Then I'm going to stitch by my hand like this around. When I finish, I'm gonna fold the waistband in half. Use the scissors to cut the fabric inside to open. Next, stitching the button into the waistband at the right side to finish. And here's the final look. Hope you enjoyed my tutorial and see you next Thursday. If you are new, don't forget to subscribe and turn on all notifications. Bye!